So, chapter number 6, that is understanding criminal justice system. Whenever you are watching a movie, you may be heard the terminology called IPC. Your Honor, IPC so and so, this person is given a death penalty, or whenever you are watching court scenes in the movies, have you heard a term called IPC?
Yes, sir.
That is called Indian Penal Code. Okay, so in the last chapter, that is in the judiciary chapter, we discussed about two branches of law. Can you recall? You can switch on your video. Can you recall the two branches of law which we studied in the previous chapter?
Criminal law and
Criminal law and civil laws.
yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Civil law and criminal law.
Yes, sir.
Property
Civil law and criminal.
dispute over the property comes under which branch of law?
Civil laws.
Civil laws.
Civil law. Very good.
Civil law, sir.
Okay. Uh, uh, Theft case or robbery.
Criminal law.
Criminal law. Very good. So the two branches of law, that is civil law and criminal law. Do we have a common code for criminal procedure code, or we have separate procedure code? Have you heard about a recent discussion about common civil code? Common civil code. BJP government wanted to introduce the common civil code. Have you heard this discussion in the news channels?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a common civil code then? Okay. Have you heard or watched a movie, scenes in the movie that when a person goes to the court, if he is Hindu, he is asked to keep his hand on Bhagavad Gita or something like that. मैं गीता
Yes,
की
sir.
कसम का.
Yes, sir. It
Sir.
should not tell
Yes,
lie.
sir.
Yeah. Have you heard all these things?
Yes, sir.
Or seen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what happens, no? In civil code, we don't have a common civil code. Muslim, take for example, I give a simple example. If a Hindu marries if he marries second time without divorcing the first wife, then it is illegal. It can be punished by the court of law. But the same is not applicable for Muslims, because the Muslim religion permits for multiple marriages. Same way, there are certain laws. Take for example, Property Act and all those things. So there are different procedure for civil procedures. But the government feels that criminal procedure we have same, that is IPC, Indian Penal Code. Whoever a person involved in the crime, let it be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist, Parsi, he will be treated under what? He will be treated under IPC, Indian Penal Code. He will be punished according to IPC, Indian Penal Code, irrespective of his
Caste.
caste or religion. But it is not same in the case of. It is not in the case of civil.
Civil code.
Civil code. Have you heard about triple talaq? Talaq system. You have not heard.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is triple talaq?
Yes. If a Muslim
A man who divorced three times, sir.
Three times.
They are divorced. Now it is illegal.
Yeah. Earlier, what happened? No, if a Muslim want to divorce, then he just says talak, talak, talak 3 times. If you say talak, 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 or if you send a message also, then it is considered as
Divorce.
it's considered divorce. But this is not same for the Hindus. If Hindu some problem on the family dispute, if you want to divorce, then that should be decided by the family court. Then only the divorce is considered as legal. So now the Supreme Court actively involved because of the people's request and all. Now that triple talaq is cancelled now. So slowly in India now the uniform, there is a stage which is goes for the uniform, what code? Uniform Civil Code. Hope you are getting what I am explaining to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us understand about the criminal justice system. Okay. The criminal justice system, here is a story. Okay, it's a fictional story. This, of course, those who are watched video may be gone through this because very few watched. That's the reason I am repeating everything. So, can anyone read this first storyboard? First, what was shown in the slide?
Sir,
Please. Switch on your video.
they're apart.
Video you switch on. Please. In their apartment, what happened? Okay. In their apartment in Mumbai, Mrs. Sindhya is getting dressed. She has been frantically searching for her gold chain for an hour. So it's a common scene in the family when if you want to go somewhere, then you start searching for your dress, start searching for the ornaments and all. What happened to this lady? Hello?
She's
Sir,
not
she is
able to
searching for
find
her
the
gold chain
She
for an hour.
is not able to trace it. Okay. Then quite natural. What so? Husband is shouting, "Hurry up! We are getting late." What are the sentence or the what she says?
I can't find my gold chain.
my gold chain.
It's not in the drawer.
Yeah,
I suspect that Shanti might have stolen it. She
very good.
always spends a long time dusting my room.
Okay.
my room.
Very good. This is very, very common, isn't it? When you have servants in your home, if something gone wrong, first blame will go to whom?
Servants.
Why?
Curse.
Why?
Because
Because they
Because
spend
they
more
are only
time
cleaning every places and going to
in
every
home, sir.
places, sir.
That is
They
okay.
only have rights to
because
move
they are
everywhere, sir.
they are not in our family and
Okay, that is also no. One more reason, why they are doing it easily, because you know very well they are less powerful than you, isn't it? They are economically
yes sir.
less powerful than you. So if you blame, naturally, chance of they accept possibilities more. Okay. Now what happens? What is the next course of action? Next course of action. So she calls Shanti, the maid, and started directly concluding what she says that now you started doing stealing. You you stolen my chain, and next you see she goes on concluding that I want to search in your trunk, and we are called police. So if you have the chain, return it now. The third one is threatening, isn't it? First one is she concluded that Shanti only involved in misplacement of the chain. So she wanted to search the belongings of Shanti. And also she says that I am giving an opportunity. If you stolen, please return it. What is the answer given by lady maid?
Madam, I haven't stolen it.
Okay. What is the next course of action the family is doing?
Mr.
They are
Shinde
searching Shanti's
sir,
trunk.
Mr. Shinde asked,
They're searching.
sir,
Yeah,
he
they are
said it's
searching their trunk, and what they got?
rupees
I am left with
10,000
10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees in it.
Okay. Now, don't you feel it's very common in India that you have a doubt on someone, and the moment you started checking, you got a amount which you feel it's higher to them, isn't it? Because
Yes, sir.
she is a maid, a servant, so naturally she cannot have 10,000 rupees. That is our assumption, isn't it? We don't think
Yes, sir.
that she may save the money or somebody else. These are normal arguments which goes when you are in quite normal mental state. Now, do you think these two are in the normal mental state?
No, sir. They are
No,
in
sir.
Their
Yes, sir.
intention. Their intention. Okay. Now what happened? The doubt of the owner is somehow confirmed because he got rupees how many? How much?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000 rupees, sir.
Rupees 10,000. Now what is the maid? What is the argument of maid here?
Maid told that
She's
she has
saying
been
that my
saving this
brother and
money
I
to
have been
buy
saving this
a
money
bull when
over
they
the
go to
last 1
village.
year.
Okay.
They want to buy a bull.
They want to buy a bull. Don't do you feel 90% or rather 100% of so-called owners will agree with this statement?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
Sir,
No. Okay. So same thing is happened there also. What is the next stage here? Next stage, what happened?
The
Next
owner
station, they
will
went
go
to
to
the
police
police
station
station.
to complain.
Now, what you have to
They,
understand here,
they went
what is not there in the civil case is this stage. What is the stage?
filing the case.
calling
Filing
police.
case. So you can write down in criminal procedure system. In criminal procedure system, the first action should start from where?
Complaining.
Visiting a nearest
FIR.
station
FIR.
and filing an
Finding and complete.
FIR. So what is the full form of FIR?
First
First
investigation
investigation
report.
report.
Information reports.
First information.
Information report.
Okay. Now you should always understand 2 points here. Indian Constitution clearly says that. Take for example, if crime happened in Karnataka, so in which language FIR will be written?
Kannada.
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 Kannada. Official language is Kannada in Karnataka. Now imagine the person involved in the crime who don't know Kannada. Then what will happen? Now imagine if some of your known person accused or blamed of some problem and a case is filed against him in Karnataka and he don't know Kannada. What you will suggest to him? Or is there a right for a person by the constitution to get a copy of the FIR written by the police? Is there any right by the constitution? Okay. Now, according to the Constitution of India, according to IPC, that is Indian Penal Code, whichever the language FIR is written, the FIR should be read out in the language where the accused person should understand. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
It also says that a copy of FIR should be given to the person who complained. Now you complained, so a copy of FIR should be given to you. And copy of FIR should be given to you, and you should read the FIR, and after reading only you have to sign. Then only the case you may get a favorable decision in the court. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is writing FIR then? Police or a lawyer or a judge?
Police.
Sir.
Police.
Police.
Police is writing an FIR. Okay. Now you see, they write an FIR. So the police write an FIR, which is complained by the Mr. and Mrs. Sinde about the theft of a gold chain in their apartment. Once FIR is written, what is the next course of action?
Investigation.
Investigation.
Investigation. So naturally, investigation means police should visit the
Criminal's house or residence where
visit
she has
the
stolen.
visit the where incident happened.
Took place.
Okay, wherever the incident took place, they should. In case if there is a murder, then the police will come and investigate the place where the that particular incident happened. Okay, so same thing. Now police visited the house of Shanti. Okay. So here once again Shanti says that she is not involved in all those things. Now what is the course of action next by the police? Police directly arrest
Yes, sir. Arrest. They will arrest us.
arrest Shanti. Why police arrest Shanti?
Because the FIR is being reported.
Now Shanti is considered as accused. You got my point?
A criminal.
She is not a criminal. She is accused. Who will decide she done the she done the crime or not? Who will be deciding this?
Judge.
Police.
Judge.
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 That's
Lawyer.
why ROP is different. Aparadhi is different.
Yes, sir. Niraparadi, aparadi.
जिसका ऊपर आरोप लगा है, what is he? He is an accused. Okay.
Accused.
So accused cannot be called as criminal.
Yes, sir.
Anybody can be accused, because imagine if you are not, if your friend neighbor is not liking you, he may directly blame on he can accuse you, no. But so what is the common understanding in among us? If police arrested someone, then what we will conclude?
Criminal.
He
Is a criminal.
Yeah, you may be knowing that in the rural areas and all, if in your neighborhood or somewhere, if the police come and arrest, then immediately within few minutes, the entire area will start speaking about
Him.
him,
Him or her.
him or her, and they conclude what?
conclude that
He or she is a
He or
criminal.
she was criminal.
Criminal, sir.
That is the
Criminals.
that is the mistake we are doing. That is the mistake we are doing. So please try to understand, because as you understood the criminal justice system, you should understand that an accused is different. Police don't have a right to give punishment. Police can give only do arrest and produce him to the court of law. Okay. So along with Shanti, one more was arrested. Who was he?
Sushil.
His brother
What?
Sushil.
Sushil.
Yes, sir. Our brother.
Shanti's brother.
Suhan.
Now you see the last here. Normal that police abused Sushil and beaten him very badly and asked him to confess that he is involved in or he stolen the jewelry from the neighborhood of Shinde, because there were several complaints to the police station regarding missing of jewelry. Now it is very common that if police is unable to trace a criminal, then they will make sure that whoever arrested, they will try to put a charge on them so that their work is reduced. So here also same thing happens. Police forces Sushil to agree that he is involved in the crime of theft nearby Shinde's house, but finally he is firm on his decision, saying that he is innocent. Then what happens? Police release him after
2 days.
Now, police release him after 2 days. Do you feel the action done by the police is correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. We can't feel.
Because police cannot keep
accused.
any person in a cell, that is police custody, for more than 24 hours. He should be produced before the
24 hours.
where?
Court.
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 So who will decide he should be given a bail or not?
Judge.
Lawyer.
Lawyer, sir.
Judge will decide. Okay. Lawyer will not decide, judge will decide. Now, let us move to the next. Although court granted bail to Shanti, what is called bail?
Instead of the
Sir, there is, sir.
criminal person,
So,
Sir, it will
will be in jail.
Temporary release of accused.
The bail
Criminal.
reports
Yes, sir.
releases the criminal from court, sir.
Okay, there are two types of crimes. One is bailable crime and second one is non-bailable crime. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Non-bailable crime. Take for example, if a person is arrested under Domestic Violence Act. If you remember, we studied Domestic Violence Act.
Judiciary, sir.
Yeah.
In
If
judiciary.
a person is arrested under Domestic Violence Act,
Yes, sir.
he will not get bail. Those who are Kannadigas in the class, if you recall, do you know a person called Darshan?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Darshan,
sir.
कौन है वो?
Hero. Sir,
Hero.
Oh, good यार. You also know.
he is hero, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Darshan को क्या हुआ था? What happened to him? Few years back.
Sir, he was arrested, sir.
Okay.
By the
His wife filed a complaint against him under the Domestic Violence Act. So even though such a powerful, matlab powerful in the sense financial and talking, he was arrested and he was in jail. He was not issued a bail because he was arrested under non-bailable offense, that is Domestic Violence Act. After when his wife withdrawn the case, then he was released.
yes,
So here what do you mean by bail means? In a simple word, a person who is arrested can come out from the
jail.
means police custody with the guarantee of a person or amount of money. Okay, and whenever he or she is asked, they should supposed to attend the court proceedings. You're getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here Shanti got the bail, but she was unable to use that. Why?
Sir, because
Had to pay a certain amount of money which
Yeah.
Not economically good.
What is the surety asked by the court for the bail? One is rupees
Sir,
20,000.
1,000 rupees.
Then one more person who can send surety. Because what is the surety? Take for example, if you or I gave a bail to a person who is arrested, then if something happened to him, then I will be held responsible. That is called surety, security to a person. So Shanti was unable to arrange a person as well as 20,000. She
20,000 rupees.
sent to judicial custody or the jail. Now it is very clearly says Article 22 of Indian Constitution that every person has a right to defend by a lawyer. Now what is this statement says that? Now Shanti, she's economically poor, so she says very clearly that I am unable to arrange a lawyer because I don't have money to pay a lawyer. In such cases, there is always possibility, according to the Constitution of India, that it is the duty of a government to provide a lawyer to any citizen who is unable to engage a lawyer due to poverty or other physical disability. So Shanti comes under which category here?
Poverty, sir.
what is
Poverty.
Okay. Now next stage of action. So Shanti gets a lawyer. Why Shanti gets a lawyer?
to get defended
To defend her.
a case.
To defend her.
Yes.
Okay. There is a requirement to submit your attendance also. How many joined WebEx classes and all. So many are not joining. Hardly today 22 joined. So your classmates please inform because there is a need to have attendance. You have to join class, you can't miss. In case there is a reason, like if you are not feeling well or some network issues or something, then you have to send message to the concerned subject teachers in advance so that we are well informed about your problem. If you don't, if you are not informed about your problem, then we consider this absent only. Okay. So please inform to your classmates. Don't post message in the class WhatsApp group, but whenever you happen to send message or talk to your classmates, please inform to them because that's very much required. Okay. Now let us move with the topic. That is, Advocate Kamala Rai meets Shanti in the court. Now, who is Advocate Kamala Rai here?
Lawyer.
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 She is a lawyer. Okay. But she is a lawyer appointed by whom?
Government.
By the government.
Government.
Yeah, by the government to help
Shanti.
Shanti
Shanti, sir.
to defend her
Yes.
case.
Yes.
Okay. So naturally, when a lawyer appointed to defend her case, she collects all the evidence. So she speaks to Shanti and she checks the papers also. So based on the FIR and charge sheet, the charge sheet is filed in the court and discussion is done. Now here you can understand the very interestingly, Advocate Kamala Rai, the trial before magistrate begins. What do you mean by trial?
Sessions.
Trial means the entire proceedings of the court is called as trial. Okay, take for example those watch the court scenes in the movie where you can see two people are standing in a near box type area and judges will be there, lawyers and few audience will be there. Hope this
Yes,
is
sir.
very common scenes in the movies, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
the
sir.
entire procedure is called as what?
Yes, sir.
That entire procedure is called as trial.
Trial.
Okay. So trial started in the magistrate court. Trial started in the magistrate court. Then here, very interestingly, public prosecutor appears in the case on behalf of the state and he represents Mr. and Mrs. in the evidences. Now a lot of discussion take place. Now you see the question here comes here. She asked that, Advocate Kamala Rai asked that, directly, have you seen that she is stealing your gold chain? That means the whatever incident which they put an charge or a blame, which is purely assumed. Okay, and she tries to ensure her argument by saying that you are paying her every month 1,000 rupees salary in cash and she is working for last 3 years with you. So can you tell me why all these statements are told in front of magistrate?
Because sir, they have searched her belongings, sir, because they got 10,000 rupees. That's why.
Why the Advocate Kamala Roy cross-examines the witness and explains this to the magistrate?
So to build trust.
To build trust, not only trust, to build an argument saying that there is always possibility that Shanti may saved the money other than what you are blaming. What you are blaming. So what was the blame here?
Blame that she has stolen that 10,000 also.
Correct.
Gold chain.
Okay. So
She's still and
argument moves on. So Advocate Roy examines Sushil and as his employer as a defense witness. Through their testimonies, she is able to show that rupees 10,000 found in Shanti's trunk could well be earning of Sushil and Shanti. So now Advocate Kamala Rai, she succeeded in what? She succeeding in saying the argument of Shinde was correct or wrong.
Wrong, sir.
Argument of Shinde was wrong because it is definitely not the money earned from the stolen chain. It is from the savings.
Earnings.
Okay, it is from the savings, from the earning which they done, both of them. Okay. Hope others are not sleeping.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can
Yes,
you
sir.
read the box?
As the
As the
trial
As
trial
the
is
trial
nearing
is nearing
completion,
completed,
Sushil
Sushil
learns
learned
that
that
Inspector
Inspector
Sharma
Sharma has
has
busted a gang of young men who have been stealing jewelries from the Saidi's neighborhood.
Shinde.
No problem.
Some of Mr. Sindh's son's friends are part of this gang. Mr. Sindh's chain has been found on them. Sushil tells Advocate Roy about this. Advocate Roy now calls Inspector Sharma as a defense witness. Inspector Sharma, you show and tell us what you have found? Here is the chain that has been identified by Mr. Shinde as hers. We busted a gang of boys who had stolen the chain. These boys have admitted that they stole the chain.
Okay. Now you see the entire story got a new turn, isn't it?
Yes,
So,
sir.
who is the thief now?
Neighborhood boy.
Inspector, sir.
Neighborhood, the
Gangs.
thief gang.
Sir,
Not neighborhood gang, but he is inside the home.
sir,
He's inside the
Sindh's
home.
sir.
Yeah. It is
Sir,
it is Sindhe's son who is involved in all these things. Okay. So the children who are in a wrong company, the children who
Shinde's
are
son's friends, sir.
okay. Sindhe's son's friends means that he is also involved, no? So
Yes, sir. He is also
Mr. and Mrs.
involved in it.
Sindhe's son was involved because
Yes, sir.
he was involved and his friends were involved and they were the people in behind all this entire episode, but unnecessary the blame went on poor maid, and because of that she was under jail for more than 1.5 months. Okay, now the inspector says that it is the gang of Mr. Sindhe's son, they involved in the entire episode, and the stolen chain all those things were recovered. Now finally
Yes, sir.
what happens? The judge hears the testimonies of all the witnesses. After the testimony of Inspector Sharma, Advocate Roy argues before the judge that it is now been established that Shanti is innocent and he should be acquitted. So now what happened? After all this happened, then it is understood that
All of it.
Shanti is innocent.
Ye-
Yeah,
Yes,
he
sir.
should be left free. But don't you feel it's a failure of system where an innocent person was accused, not only accused, she was penalized, she was in jail, she was in
For 1
traumatized,
month, sir.
yeah,
After
traumatized
he lost
for 2
this,
months, and
and
her brother was almost faced lot of problem. Even police beaten him
Punished.
badly. So now here
also
you
they
see
lost their money.
what is the judgment says that. Can you read the judge what the judge says?
Shanti, you are hereby acquitted of the charge of theft. The police will hand over to you the rupees 10,000 that they had sealed. In my written judgment, I have made it a point to highlight S.I. Raw's role in conducting such a thorough investigation that made you spend time in jail.
Okay. Now you see here judge directly blames the Inspector Rao because
Yes, sir.
judge says we are sorry because Inspector Rao is not done an inquiry in a proper way.
Yes, sir. Rao.
Instead of doing investigation and proper inquiry, first easy thing which he done. What is the easy thing? He arrested Shanti and Shanti's
And let him
brother.
in jail, sir.
Brother.
brother Sushil.
And she was in jail because she cannot arrange for a surety
20,000.
money for a bail. So
Yes,
as
sir.
a result, she was uh, she faced lot of problem. So that's why judge very
If
clearly says that
inspector was
now I am leaving you free.
After he lost
Okay,
money.
now I am leaving you free. Rupees 10,000 will be paid back to you and all this. This is a common scenario in a criminal justice system in India, because most sensational cases in India, for example, what is that? Sister Abhaya's case, or Nirbhaya gang rape case of Delhi. Sister Abhaya's case, which was dealt in Kerala, it took almost 20 plus years to give a final judgment. Now imagine if a criminal case proceed for such a long years of 20 years. Don't you feel it's a big uh, problem in our justice system?
Yes, sir. If the inspector
Yes, sir.
was eating Shinde's family also, the problem would have cleared at that time only.
Okay. Do you, maybe chance of those who are good at GK? Uh, Recently there was a case in Kerala High Court which
Yes, sir.
which released a scientist, ISRO scientist, who was accused of
Was accused of revealing information to
very
Pakistan.
good, very good. Who is this?
Abhinav.
Can you tell what is his name?
I am not remembering his name.
Tell me what is the charges?
He was accused of revealing some high confidential information to Pakistani spies.
Uh, Pakistani or Russia? Okay. Then what happened?
There was a whole conspiracy going on.
Correct. Conspiracy. So, after how many years? More than 20 years.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Those who, after that you just Google down. His name is Nambi Narayan. Okay. A person called Nambi Narayanan from Kerala, who was accused, not only accused, he was arrested, and for the blame that he sold few defense, means the scientific secrets, to the enemy countries. But actually it is totally a blame, and he, after so many years of blame, finally the High Court of Kerala, it came out with a judgment that Nambi Narayanan, who was really not involved in any kind of charges which laid against him. He was a Indian scientist in ISRO, that is India Indian Space Research Organization, and of course he is a Padma Bhushan awardee. So what happens here? A person who is in the aerospace engineer working in ISRO, but finally the Supreme Court awarded him compensation and all, but imagine the amount of trauma or the trouble the entire family has undergone. You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what the problem in Indian criminal justice system. Okay. Indian criminal justice system, there is no speedy justice. Second one, if you are blamed wrongly, also there is a possibility the person may face the trial, or sometime he may get the jail punishment, because it all depends on evidences. There is always possibility that lawyers can create a false evidence or the witness. Okay.
For money, sir. For money.
Whatever, money or name, fame, blame, whatever it may be. So there is a possibility. So,
And the enemies will do blackmail for the lawyers, and they will do all this.
all those things will be done. Okay. So in the above entire episode, we gone through the four major characters. One, police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer,
Lawyer.
and judge.
Judge.
Okay. So police, they are involved in the investigation, they are involved in writing FIR, they are involved in arresting the person, etc.
Criminal.
Public prosecutor will defend the case on behalf of the government. Defense lawyer will defend the case on behalf of accused, and the judge will act as a umpire who
Decision maker.
listen to the witness evidences and other important things, and finally he will come out with the
Justice.
final judgment.
Decision.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Final decision.
Okay then. So please go through once again because I'll post this video. Okay. Thank you, because it is 40 minutes. Webex says that I'll close down within 5 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.